Good evening everyone. Welcome to the 11th video on the homework portal. And today we'll be discussing about the questions in mechanics. My name is Ratankar Rao. I teach physics in an international school and my hobby is to do lectures in physics, help out the student community to work more or to understand clearly the concepts in physics. Just give me a moment. I feel my lighting is not so good. Let me just put across another ring light so that I am visible correctly. Wow. To do something, we need to be very pretty, right? Okay. Well. Okay, now let me start with it. Let me share my PPT. There is some commentary, cricket commentary going on here. I think I'm audible. Okay. Anyway, I'm just describing the problems. So you can look into it and then try to answer it. Right. So this is the 11th video. So far, we had completed 50 problems as of yesterday. And today, it's another 5 problems currently in mechanics. Okay. Now, the question here that reads are as such, it tells you about the length of the side of a cube is 2 centimeter plus or minus 4%. The mass of the cube is 24 grams plus or minus 8%. What is the percentage uncertainty of the density of the cube? So if you look into it, it says something about 2 centimeter plus or minus 4%. See, usually when I write this plus or minus, there should be an unit here. But unfortunately, no unit is made here, but instead it is 4%, which means, so this is nothing but your absolute uncertainty you should get. But it's a mixed uncertainty. Okay, you do not have something like that, but instead I have given you the percentage error. From the percentage error, how do you get the value of what you call the absolute uncertainty? You can do it like that. Or if you do not want that, then you want to do it directly also, it's fine. Okay, so what you can do is you need to find out the percentage uncertainty in the density of the cube. So what is density? Mass by volume. Now I will not be able to really reveal you the full answer. And then what you do is the mass is already given to you. Volume you can calculate directly from the length. Okay, so then find out what is the percentage uncertainty. Okay, you can do it easily. It should not take much time. Then a truck has an initial speed of 20 meter per second. It decelerates at 4 meter per second square. What is the distance taken by the truck to stop? The initial velocity is given to you here. It decelerates at 4 meter per second square. Okay, deceleration is given. What is the distance taken by it? Now you see the deceleration here is seen to be a constant. Okay, acceleration is constant, deceleration is constant. Which formula would you like to use? Decide and then use it. I'm not going to tell you what is it, and you can easily find out what is the time taken to stop. Then the next question is, a runner starts from rest and accelerates at a constant rate to a race and accelerates. Okay, which graph shows the variation v with the speed v of the runner with the distance traveled s. So the plot here is v versus s and for a constant acceleration. Which equation helps you to understand v versus s? In a constant acceleration, VAS. Which equation? I already given you the clue. Think about it and answer it. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. A projectile is fired at an angle to the horizontal. The path of the projectile is shown. Vertical versus horizontal displacement is being plotted, which gives the magnitude of the horizontal component and the magnitude of the vertical component of the velocity between O and P, between this region. Okay, between O and P. Okay, between O, this is the P and this is the O here, between this region. One clue that I can tell you here is that to answer this question, note that the curve here starts from here, it keeps on going like this, goes until the point O, and then it should have fallen in the other way around. But here it has been slightly skewed over here. Okay, see, it falls so rapidly here, it climbs up uniformly. Okay, that is the clue over here. Why does it fall shortly? Why doesn't it fall at a larger distance? This is something which you need to think on. Based on this, you will be getting an answer for this. Okay, maybe if you don't get it, do look at my solutions. For tomorrow, we'll get to know the solutions for this. Then finally, a mass M attached to the string of length R moves in a vertical circle with a constant speed. Vertical circle, when it is moving in a vertical circle, what do you get? You see, you can get the tension and the mg force will not be acting in the same way. The tension in the string at the top of the circle is T, while the kinetic, what is the kinetic energy of the mass at the top of the circle? Now you have to think about it. Okay. If I tell you the whole thing, then definitely you get the full answer. So what you need to do, the clue here is that you need to find out, you need to make a free body diagram so that you can understand it. This problem is from circular motion and gravitation, but people who already are aware about free body diagram, you can easily do it. Okay, so don't tell me that only mechanics has been taught to me. Okay, so if you have already been taught about free body diagram, you can easily do it. Okay, so finally we have come to an end to today's talk, and as a result of it, let me stop here, and in tomorrow's class let us see the solutions for this. Thank you friends for watching this video until the end, and if you like this video, do share and comment on my channel, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get further updates. Thank you, and thank you very much for patiently listening to my video. Thank you.